Hello, everybody, online and in person. My name is Srđan Bilić. I'm from Banja Luka. This is town in Bosnia and Herzegovina, University of Banja Luka, Faculty of Forestry. I work there as teaching assistant, and now I am at my PhD studies at Forestry Management Planning Department. Today I will talking about some informations about state of forest in Republic of Srpska, the landmines and forest fires. So we are now in Warsaw. We are far away from Bosnia, but I am relaxed. I'm there a few days thanks to Erasmus program. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, we have some three parts of relief. We can divide it to northern part. This is part of Pannonian Sea. Middle part, it is mostly mountains region. And the second and the southern part, this is region of sub-Mediterranean. So this relief distribution is divided to mountains, karst, hills and lowlands. This karst region is characteristic for Dinaric mountains. This is primarily made from limestones. We have the highest point, mountain Maglic. This is 2,300 meters from sea level. And if you see, our country is up to 60% territory about 500 meters altitude. So if we talk about administrative structure, we have there some strange situation because all people call this situation like the decentralized state. Why is that? Because we was part of former Yugoslavia. You heard about that. But after civil war, now we are with this situation. If you saw on this map, the blue one is one entity of Bosnia. Second entity is Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we have third part. This is Brčko district. So this part there, this is Brčko district, and blue part is Republic of Srpska, where is our faculty, and we will talk about this state and these forests. But if you see, Federation of Bosnia is like in Switzerland. There are 10 cantons, and each canton have the own ministries, own government. And after all, we are one country. We have 12 ministries. And another one in Brčko, so we can call it 13 ministries. We have 3 presidents, one from Serbs, Croats and Muslims. And it is very difficult to say, okay, who are president of your country? We have 3. Pick the one. So it is at easy. Area is 51,000 kilometers. We have around 3.5 million of peoples there. And as you see on previous slide, we are a mountains region with a lot of forests. Percentage of forest is near 50 to 60% of cover. You can see this map. We have around 2.3% of protected areas, 4 national parks, and in total 37 official protected areas. The mainly protected areas are made from forests, so we will talk about it. Why I show this for you? Because when we talk about landmines, can we talk about protected areas? Can we go there? We don't protect this area, but these areas are protected. We can't go inside. So, state of Republic of Srpska has 1 million hectares. We had around 180 million cubic meters of growing stocks, with 5 million cubics of annual volume increment, and we cut about 3.5 millions of cubic meters per year. So our state forest of Republic of Srpska are divided to 28 forest economic areas. So these areas has own forest management plans. So we made every plans for each forest economic areas. These areas are from 15,000 to 80,000 hectares. In these areas, we also have 3 national parks. So additional one is in Federation of Bosnia. So after all, we had a Bosnia war. War was from 92 to 95, and after that we have a lot of problems with our forests. So what was there? We have a lot of landmines in forest that cause many problems because with combination with forest fires, we got some situation that we can't do something when we got fire, and we can't manage these forests with landmines in it. So there is a map with our landmine files. So in general, at this moment, we have around 1.7% of whole state area with mine files. So in total, we have uncleared number of land miles about 80,000 units of landmines. When we talk about landmines, we can assume the whole possibility of kinds. So we have plastics, we have with stripes, and so on. So from period of 96 to 2011, there was killed around 500 people and injured about 1,200 of people. So this is a problem, and it is going on because we have a lot of illegal cuttings, and a lot of people know that is protect area with mines, but it is good for him to go to there, and in most cases it finished with some incidents. So in state of forest of Republic of Srpska, we have 24 of 28 forest economic areas with landmines, as you see at the previous slide. So total area which is contaminated with landmines are 45,000 hectares, and this is 4.6% of our state forests. So when we talk about these regions, we just have four these forest economic areas without mines. Where are these mines mostly? Mostly it is, if you see, around entities border. So on the right side you can see a border between two entities, and the most of these land mines are still between these two entities. This is problematic because now we are in Republic of Srpska, and near is second from Federation of Bosnia. This is the different enterprise, you know, and we have a lot of problems with it. So it looks like this on map. The most populated areas with land mines are these with darker red color, but with in this sub-Mediterranean area we don't have it because there was a little influence of war, and of course there is our faculty and this northern part from Banja Luka. We don't have any landmines there. So when we are at forest management planning, we must to deal with these areas. And how to do it? If you have this one area, you must to have forest management plan for it. But what we do with these areas, with these compartments, which is planted with mines, we must to put them alongside, but we must to estimate growing stock increment. But how you could estimate it? We estimate it based on earlier periods, and it is pretty unstable to do it. So if we have forest management classes, we must to put a sign M after this code. And as you see, if you have something like high forest with natural regeneration, we put a sign M, and all these compartments in, we must to estimate the all taxation elements. At all, we have the most populated compartments with this forest management class. This is high forest with natural regeneration. That is the most valuable forest in our country. And the second one is coppice forest, and we have see there what is mainly we have beech forest there, and second is fir spruce and beech forests and compartments with this species structure, which is definitely the mainly and the most valuable forest in our country. So there is a second with 4,000 code. This is coppice forests, and also there is a problem with beech forests and oaks forests. That is the most contaminated. And after all, what we can do? We must do some demining process there. So in Bosnia, in whole Bosnia country, we have 24 organizations that is accredited for the mining process, 10 commercial, 9 non-governmental, governmental, and 5 governmental. The mining is very is expensive task because that is all consists of terrain work, insurance for the miners, and all stuff, accommodation, food, equipment, and how you can do it in forest. We don't have any machines for it. You must do it manually, you know. And for all this, we have the main organization. It is BH This is the main portal for information on the national demining program in Bosnia. And every year they got some results of demining process. So one best job what they do is to dealing with some application. So you can download it. It is free just to check situation in our country. There is app for App Store and Google Play. So you can always turn it application in on your phone, and when you go to forest as tourist, as foresters, as researcher, you can turn it on, and you got alerts when you enter to this area. And this is a very good solution for us. And the other solution is how to clear this area. We must have a lot of people that is educated with these stuffs, and the whole process is very expensive, time consuming, and it is assumed that we need additional 20 years to clear whole area, but it is not possible. So in our country or our entity, we invent some product that is machine for removing plants and destroying explosive ordnance. And but if you see it, how we can put them in forest, it is very big, and maybe it is useful in agriculture fields, but in forest it is impossible because we are very sleepy with slopes and others. So the main reason for forest fires after landmines are normally agriculture burning, in springs, field clearing, and a little bit, about 2% are lighting fires near forests. There is a map of forest fire hazard, and if you see the mostly municipality with dangerous areas are in a certain part, because there is a sub-Mediterranean area, and we have a lot of events there. But generally, if we talk about forest and fire hazard, we don't have a lot of problems with forest fires, but in combination with landmines area, it is very big problem. So there is some information for state forest of Republic of Srpska. You can see it is very difficult to say that is some indication of growing or declining. It depends on situation of human activities, of weather conditions and other, but we can say that we don't have as much problems. All this up to all these problems with fires are surface fires. So we don't have a high forest fires or crown fires, and a little bit 70 hectares of ground fires for this period of from 13 to 23. So in conclusion, we can say that Republic of Srpska don't have significant problems with forest fire, but with leftover landmines from civil war, we have it. Uh, so the mining process is very expensive, time consuming, and this process takes probably an additional 20 years because you must have money for it, you must have people with skills. And currently the only solution for forests is active manually mine removal, but uh, because we have a lot of mountain regions where you can cross, you can go there, but we have mines there. It is probably better solution uh, to clean these urban areas firstly, where people can go to do some recreation or something. So that's for me and for you today. Thank you for attention.